Close your eyes for a moment. Imagine the early 1900s. Millions of African American families are packing whatever they can carry, leaving the Jim Crow South, and stepping onto trains heading north, toward Chicago, Detroit, New York, and beyond. But among all the memories they carried, food was one of the strongest. Today, you're about to taste the journey. These are 25 Southern foods African Americans actually ate during the Great Migration. Foods that kept traditions alive, even thousands of miles from home. 1. Cornbread. Warm, golden, baked in cast-iron pans. It wasn't just food. It was survival, comfort, and community. 2. Collard greens. Slow-cooked with smoked meats. Rich, deep, and full of stories passed from one kitchen to another. 3. Fried chicken. Crispy, seasoned, travel-friendly. Perfect for long train rides north. 4. Black-eyed peas. Symbol of good luck. Families ate them on New Year's Day for hope and fresh beginnings. 5. Country ham. Salty, smoky, and long-lasting. Ideal for traveling families. 6. Biscuits. Fluffy, buttery, made by hand in small kitchens. A Southern morning tradition carried into big northern cities. 7. Sweet potatoes. Roasted, mashed, baked into pies. A staple that reminded people of home. 8. Okra stew. Thick, hearty, and rooted in West African cooking traditions. 9. Hoppin' John. Rice, black-eyed peas, onions, and a little spice. A complete, comforting meal. 10. Catfish. Fried along riverbanks in the South. Continued in northern neighborhoods and church events. 11. Grits. Simple, filling. A taste of home on cold northern mornings. 12. Red beans and rice. Originally from Louisiana. Became a favorite anywhere people from the deep South settled. 13. Chitlins. Slow cleaned and slow cooked during holidays and special gatherings. 14. Turnip grains. Often cooked with ham hocks. A humble yet powerful comfort food. 15. Brunswick stew. Tomatoes, vegetables, smoked meats. A dish that traveled with Southern migrants into cities like Chicago. 16. Corn pudding. Soft, creamy, sweet. Served at Sunday dinners. 17. Pork neck bones. Cooked low and slow, turning tough cuts into tender meals. 18. Field peas. A Southern farm staple that remained popular in northern homes. 19. Hot water cornbread. Crispy outside, soft inside. Still loved at fish fries. 20. Red Kool-Aid. Simple, inexpensive, and always present at family gatherings. 21. Sweet tea. A signature Southern drink. Carried north in memory and practice. 22. Peach cobbler. Warm, buttery, and made with love on Sunday afternoons. 23. Rice pudding. Cheap, filling, and comforting for families on tight budgets. 24. Smothered pork chops. Tender meat drowned in thick gravy. A soul food classic born in Southern kitchens. 25. Molasses bread. Dark, sweet, dense. A reminder of the rural South long after families arrived in big cities. These foods were more than recipes. They were memories, identity, and strength. Every bite told a story of survival and a journey toward a better life. And today, these dishes still live on. In soul food restaurants, family cookouts, and the hearts of those who remember where they came from.